Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable biometrics on Best Buy account. So first we're going to go to the Best Buy app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on app settings. Then as you can see there's the sign in with face or fingerprint ID section. You're going to turn it on. So after you guys insert your biometrics, from now on when you guys open the app, you're going to have to insert your biometrics. So this is very important for security reasons. So no one can sign in with your account without you knowing of it. So no one can sign in with your account because it needs security clearance. So that's how you do it. It's a very important setting. So make sure to turn it on. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.